Welcome to my garden. Today I am going to make fried stuffed zucchini flowers. It is a very delicious summertime Italian appetizer. For that I am going to use the zucchini flowers from our garden. You can also get zucchini flowers from farmers market. If you have a garden, you can grow your own zucchini plants and they grow very well during the summer season. We plant them beginning of May and it will start flowering end of June or beginning of the July, and it will almost produce the vegetable for almost like 3 months. So, zucchini plant produces male and female flowers, and this is the male flower which has a slender stem, and this is the female flower, and you can see the tiny zucchini in the female flower. So, when a plant has male and female flowers, only then it will pollinate. So, mostly we use male flowers for cooking because it does not turn out into zucchini, and you can also use female flowers when they are tiny. So, I am going to pluck this male flower. Usually I get only 1 or 2 flowers per day. I save them and collect them in a Ziploc bag or in a Ziploc container, and I keep it in the fridge. It stays fresh for up to a week. So, now we can start preparing the fried stuffed zucchini flowers. First you have to wash the zucchini flowers in very gently in water and dry them in the paper towel. And then you can take out the pistils from the zucchini flower. When you open the flower like this, then you can see the pistils. The whole flower is edible, but this pistils are little hard to digest, so you can take it out with your finger. You can take out from all the flowers like that and keep the flowers ready. For the stuffing mix, I am adding 1/4 cup of ricotta cheese, 1/4 cup of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon shallot, 1 tablespoon finely chopped cilantro leaves, and a pinch of salt. I am adding finely chopped shallots and cilantro in this recipe because it gives a little bit of Indian flavor touch to this filling. Shallots will give a crisp texture to the filling. Mix all the ingredients well until you get the creamy texture. Now you can open the flowers carefully and gently and fill the stuffing mix with a small spoon. You can fill up to the level where the petals start to separate and close it like this and twist it and keep it ready. So, fill the stuffing mix in all the flowers and keep everything ready. I am using canola oil for frying. You can also use sunflower oil or vegetable oil for frying. While the oil is cooking, we can make the batter. So, mix all the rice flour and the all purpose flour together and the salt and pepper. You can add salt and pepper as per your taste. Add 1 cup of sparkling water. And mix well without any lumps. Keep adding the sparkling water slowly until you get desired consistency. So then now you can see the texture of the batter, so it is slightly runny and it's not too thick, so this is a perfect consistency for the batter. If it has tiny lumps, that's fine. When we cook it, it will be okay. Now our batter is ready. We'll see if the oil is hot or not. So to check the oil if it is hot or not, so you can pour a little bit of tiny bit of batter. If it starts to float, then it means the oil is ready. Now the oil is ready, so we can start frying the stuffed zucchini flowers. So now we can dip the stuffed zucchini flowers very carefully in the batter. First dip each flower in the batter and twist it like this. Then it will get covered in every way, and the top portion will be covered. And drain all the excess batter and slowly slide it in the hot oil. So when you are dipping in the batter, you just turn it like this, then the top part will be covered. Dip all the flowers like this and slowly add it in the hot oil. It will take 2 minutes for the bottom side to cook. I'm going to fry 4 flowers at a time because I don't want to crowd the pan too much. Once the bottom side is cooked, now we can flip it over. Once the bubble is stopped and the zucchini flowers are crisp and slightly golden color, we can take it out. It is ready. Now our crispy, delicious stuffed zucchini flowers are ready. We can try it now. So I'm going to taste it. This is very light and crispy. It tastes amazing. It is so good with the cheese filling inside. You can eat it as it is, or you can try it with any dip of your choice. The zucchini flower season is not yet over. I think it will be there for another month. You can try it at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon with more exciting recipes.